Well. It's 2020, December 31st. It's the last day of the year, y'all. Stay tuned for this day. Grand Rising. What has 2020 done for you? As we come to a close, come on, man. As we come to a close, I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna give y'all a thorough review of what this car does, ins and outs. Let me see. Forgot I ain't got no gas. So. But anyway, what has 2020 done for you? I'm gonna do a whole reveal about the car and everything, man. I'm gonna go talk about the meaning behind it. I'm just rushing right now for work. If I get done with that, we'll just talk about the whole entire car, man. I'm gonna break it down, ins and outs, who did what meaning meant what. Right now I'm on my way to work, last day of the year. We got plans tonight, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to vlog it all, man, to give y'all something to think about, something to watch tomorrow. So, it's your boy, Damn Jody, aka Redeye Barber, in the flesh. If you fuck with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man, on all platforms. Hit that subscribe button. Even Snapchat, it'll be at. I don't know what this means, man, but I ran out of gas on I-10 trying to go to the shop in front of a motherfucking cemetery. Hey, I know I was pressing it, man. I got E85. That shit was burning fast. I tried to make it to the gas station, but the gas station didn't make it to me. Come on, man. So I had to put these cones out here, man. I had to improvise while all these people riding past me because I'm black with a Black Lives Matter car, man. Stay tuned. It's some funny shit, man. So I'm out here in the rain. Man. Fucked up. It's all good. This is gonna be a funny ass vlog, man. Look. I'm gonna, come on, man. Help me out. I don't know where no gas station is, so we got to make it work. I'm gonna walk. Shit. It's all good, man. Hopefully somebody will come help me out, man. So we'll see. I put them cones there, man, to wash my ass. Somebody come back in a minute, man. Never drive a hellcat demon redeye with a little bit of gas. That shit went like goddamn COVID, nigga. So now I'm in the rain, man, getting rained on, man, recording and shit. So, fuck it, let's talk about the car while I'm here, man. I don't know who gonna come get me, man. I'm gonna call somebody, but man, fuck that. It's in the rain, man. So hey, I'm gonna get back. I don't wanna fuck up the camera. You dig? Man, so I'm on my way finally, man. It's raining, so I'm only going about 45 miles an hour, man. I got like racing tires on, so the car's passing me up. Ain't that funny? So with that being said, let me turn my hazards on. The day starting off, as you can see, but I just swear it's gonna get better. It's the last day of the year. I don't know if karma trying to come for my ass this last day or what. I done ran out of gas. Now I'm saying my tire pressure low. It ain't even that damn cold outside, man. I ran out of gas on the way to the shop. And it's raining like Noah about to go floating again. But it happened, man. I told you everything I do is gonna say, damn, Jody, how the fuck you run out of gas? Pocket full of money, man. Credit cards and everything, man. I can't get no damn gas, man. I be trying to squeeze it out. But I forgot that E85. That E85 be running out super fast. But anyway, this is the last day of the year. I had to go out with a bang. I'm gonna try to vlog everything today, man. We going to the shop. After the shop, then we going out. A couple of homies, couple of friends. We all going out to eat, going to have some drinks. So y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you follow on, hit that bell notification so you know exactly when I'm about to drop something. Now you be on top of it. You be on the same bandwagon with me, man. Take this ride with me. This Damn Jody Red Eye Barber. This shit is crazy, man. I ain't even been in my car a week yet. And I ran out of gas already. That's what I get. Her ass was like, you know what? You done left my ass about 5 months. That's what your funky ass get. God damn. Now it's getting foggy than a bitch in this thing, man. Anyway, let me get off this thing, man. I'm on Highway 6 and I-10 by 10 trying to get up to the shop. I got motherfuckers waiting. We'll get there eventually. 2020 is gone. 2020 is gone. 2020 is gone. 2020. Man, look at my brother. He looks so goddamn damper, man. Damper jam. That boy, man. Hey, 2020, kiss our mother. Come on, man. 2020. Nothing but prosperous. Nothing but goals. Nothing but dreams. Nothing but. We going out. Fuck the dream. We going after everything. We. I don't even know what to say. Shit, nigga. You know, I would edit that shit out. Look. Show y'all how the Midwest go out and celebrate. That boy. I'm gonna go out and show you how the Midwest celebrate. Come on, man. New Year's, man. 2020 what? Come on, man. Where you at, babe? Where your baby thing at, man? Who knows? Look, she in the mirror right now. Look, getting it in. Dad, she flipped me off, man. God damn. We'll be back in touch with y'all, man.
You're getting vodka?
You're getting vodka? Yeah, this how we doing it, y'all.
Right, cheers.
Cheers into 2021. Let's get it. Hey, is hers done? She be babysitting. Oh, okay. Let's go.
Oh, no, but they will enjoy Disney and they will enjoy Epcot, Universal, everything is really Garden.
Right, man, I'm recording and shit.
Hey, but then let him record. Just give it to him. We'll see it. What's that? You can edit it out, bro.
Right, I'm editing all this stuff out. Just see what I'm like. Girl, eat your food.
Wow.
Hey, that's how you do a B-roll. You just show little slow stuff like.
So there's your lobster mac, cream spinach right there, mashed potatoes, truffle fries,
Yeah, you put your arm in it.
Brussels sprouts. Wow.
Hey, what steak you got? Y'all both got the same thing? Hey, do that again. That. Hey, wait till I put it together. Y'all gonna be like, ah. Juan, what's up, man?
Oh, okay. Well, you better hurry. It's like what, 12 minutes?
Are we taking shots? Everyone? Or we should be thrown by the time?
They're talking about me not being able to hold my liquor, which is a lie. I can hold my liquor. This
crossed?
book,
What's crossed?
Thank you, Giovanni, you're not really a drinker.
Y'all still there? We went to
not really.
I asked for a shot 30 times when my mom was at the house. And you faked it and brought out the Hennessy when I said I didn't want the Hennessy. No shots ever came back out after that. I noticed it. I just left it alone. You're not a drinker.
But somebody turning me not into one because they don't want to partake with me, so.
Then
You don't always have to have someone to do it with you and to
to
enjoy
do
it.
it? No, you do kind of.
Yes, you do, right.
Yes, you do. I agree.
Says somebody that doesn't
And
drink.
then my mom was like, "Oh, I don't
So
want it."
please
Then
someone
okay.
that don't drink.
Well, my mom will
You're
fall
turning me
asleep
to
at one shot.
alcoholic.
She not a drinker. My mom is not a drinker at all.
a social drink.
My mom is
Try to turn
my
me
mom
to
is not a
beer
drinker.
fan.
No, if you're doing it together, you're okay.
Turn you to what?
Not the Peters.
Not the bang.
I said he's trying to turn me to a Peterson.
Cause my family came over here. Hey, my family on the Halloween party.
What you doing, babe?
So you can't let him do about stuff because you'll be out
What is she saying right
in
now?
the world.
Hey.
I saw that.
Hold them up. Why you throw that on the floor?
I
Oh, why you put that in there?
Right. Oh, why did
I thought you did something. What y'all laughing at?
Who said that?
Right.
No, she did do something. I saw her.
Who said that?
She about to get it. I'm gonna make her drink mine if she don't stop playing. Alright, well, you gotta stop playing.
I'm kind of headache.
John, can you make it go 4 minutes faster? And we enjoyed ourselves, man. We laying 2020 to bed. Hopefully our stimulus checks come next week.
Next week, then tomorrow, nigga, Chase
Hey.
first.
Damn, Perla.
So we done made it, y'all, man. 2020 was a rough year.
Log into the app. They said
Chase saw her first.
2020 was a rough year.
Smile.
we need to count 3, 1, 0. Happy New Year! How you know? Cause
We did it, look. All right,
take the shots.
Happy New Year! I forgot all about that. Hey, everybody pick up their shot.
Happy New Year.
Pick up this shot.
I love you. Happy New Year.
Listen.
Oh.
Happy New Year.
Oh, hi, Celia. Happy
Hey,
New Year.
fuck it. Hey, cheers, y'all.
Happy New Year.
Hey, cheers, cheers, cheers.
Happy New
Misty and
Year.
Joanne.
Happy New Year.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, we'll be there soon. Put the lip in soon.
Yay, she did it.
She alive.
She did it.
She poured that shit on the floor. She about to get beat up and she was like, put it away.
Oh, I don't know if I dropped some shit out my purse. I don't know what's going on.
Dude, you only drink a sip of it. She poured it on the ground. Hey, this camera don't lie. Look, I had that shit up there. It's gonna show her ass pouring drink on the floor, man.
What you can't find it? It should be in
Why
the
you mess up my
drawer.
man? Why you mess up my...
They can't find it.
Oh, we lied. We lied.
Where's Kai Kai and Lele?
2021, man. So we put all that 2020 to... We put all that 2020 to rest.
There's your friend. There's your friend, Lele. Hi.
That's all I get?
No, I don't take shots.